Hello everybody. Welcome to our kitchen again.
The Polish-Italian kitchen. Don't eat the fork. We know you like it, but not that much. What are we making today?
Today we make sauerkraut.
This beautiful thing you see in front of here takes about a month. Today we're going to show you every step of the way. And after we load it up in a couple of jars, it ferments and gives us, what is that really healthy thing we're looking for? Bacteria, but what is it? Probiotics. We're getting probiotics, because good probiotics in our belly makes us healthy and makes us feel good. Special thank you to my friend Jeremy Princey, who's in Australia, who is the godfather of fermentation. So if you want to learn more about what we're doing here, you can check out the description below and see a link to a video that I made with Jeremy a few years ago, as well as his website where he's got so many resources on fermenting. If you've got two chefs in the kitchen, it's great because it takes a lot of work to make the sauerkraut. So I'll be the brute force guy. I'll be massaging the cabbage and getting all the liquid out.
And I'm going to peel.
You're going to peel, great, and we'll combine and conquer. We've got the principal ingredients for the sauerkraut, which are?
Cabbage, an apple, carrot, and Kumara.
We have Kumara New Zealand, but sweet potato for everyone else on planet Earth. We've got this paste that we're going to be making out of
ginger, garlic, turmeric, and chili flakes.
Chili flakes. And then good strong hands, because you're going to be getting a good full-on workout. I'll do that. And then at the end we'll combine it and we'll show you how to finish it off at the end. I don't want to mush it down so completely that it's mush. I can still feel that there's plenty of parts that are crispy.
I never liked sauerkraut in my life, and I just discovered that I love it because usually you eat just with cabbage.
Yes, usually.
Just straight cabbage, but I like this version.
And you want to put it in a dark place, and like we said, once every few days or week you want to release the gas and make sure no one else is around because it smells like someone released their gas. So we want to prevent that. So yeah, it smells like a fart. So let's put this away. Put away your liter container somewhere dark. In about a month, when it's got a nice strong smell of sauerkraut, does that smell good? This is the finished product. It's an absolutely delicious and incredibly healthy.
You're going to finish?
Sauerkraut, and I'm just going to keep giving her some good probiotics. Thank you guys for stopping by to our kitchen, and we'll see you next time. Yeah. See you next time.
Bye!
You're eating all our sauerkraut.
Non prendo.
We have to wait a whole month.